background. We got concrete going in. I've been told that there's going to be anywhere from 2 to 3 trucks of concrete coming in. There's a lot of concrete over these walls. They explained that the walls will be coming down tomorrow. Then it takes about 7 to 10 days to dry after that. It's an awesome experience. Very friendly crew that is telling me a lot of stuff, and I'm learning a lot. Hi, this is an update of Mom and I. You can see behind us, there's a crew. The truck is there. Cement is being laid in the foundation walls for the cement, or for the basement. There's about 8 people here today, but it's awesome. This is the second truck. He was making a joke because Mom and I was running as fast as we could to get out of his way.
I almost got hit by a cement truck.
But anyway, they're real nice people. I got to know some of them, by talking before the trucks came, but a lot of action going on. This is truck number 4, and we got men who's doing the cement. Kind of awesome, all the work. Finally figuring out how to do this. You can see one behind me. Just hit me. You can boom. There's Mom. Stay there, Mom. It's a cute picture.